Okay, so this is actually my daughter's lightsaber. It's my 4-year-old daughter. I let her go through the Ultrasaber website and like choose whichever one you want. She ended up going with, I think this is the Apprentice 4. So again, it has your nice little horizontal slits. This actually is the violet purple. Doesn't show up very well in most of my. I tried a bunch of different ways to get it to look. It actually looks more blue, unless you can actually, at certain angles, you actually can see more of the purple here. I did another review of the Aeon 4 where I actually got rid of all of the ambient light, and that one shows the purple a little bit more. So this, of course, a little bit over a single hand, but still very easy to torque for a single hand if you wanted to. So, nice sturdy design. I like the base to it. It's got a nice feel to it. It's not quite the hand and a half of like the Aeon, which I actually prefer more, but slightly bigger than, say, the Initiate. The Initiate, of course, is a really good single hand. This one, again, good single hand, nice balance, good hand location. Comes the choke point. I should have the button right there. So you guys go from here, off and on. Very nice again, sturdy. I do actually kind of wish though that it would show up a little bit better in the video. So, but now that I've got some of the light on, so the other one, of course, I've got is, here's my Aeon 4. And as you can tell now, since I've changed the lighting, it's almost non-existent when it comes to the light coming from this. And that one, of course, if I wanted to do a side by side, removing the Yari pike extension. So that's what I've got attached to the bottom of it. So putting it now emitter to emitter, you can tell there's a couple more inches on the end which you have on the Apprentice. So go from a single hand to something much more of a hand and a half style with the Aeon. And the battery pack actually slid out because I've moved around too much. I'll get that back in there. So with almost all the Ultrasabers, I reviewed the Aeon 3. I liked the way how that one was designed. The Aeon 4, similar in design. The only real difference is they actually added the slits into it, so it makes the emitter look a lot more interesting and unique. And the Apprentice 4, again, nice one, nice style design. I also have still my my Initiate, very basic design, no slits in it. So with almost all the Ultrasabers, you're going to get a really unique, really interesting lightsaber. Nice, robust. If you go with ones that have the sound to them, the soundboard's really nice. If you go with the don't have the sound to them, they're effectively like a flash that you can fight with. And with being aircraft grade aluminum and the polycarbonate blade, you actually could probably do a pretty decent amount of damage to someone breaking into your house. And then the cops had to say, "So what happened to you?" "I was beaten down by a lightsaber."